Hello. So you want to download your Kindle highlights and notes as a CSV. Well, I'm here to show you how to do it. So this is free and you just need to do a few things. First of all, make sure you're logged into this website, read.amazon.com. This is an app called Unearthed. It's open source and it is free. You just have to put in your email address. Feel free to delete your account afterwards. I don't mind. I should say I made this, and yeah, let's go. So join or log in. Okay, here we go. We've got no books, but we can add some with the Chrome extension, which is linked here, or Firefox extension. Click it and press Get Kindle Books. Continue. Now you need to be logged in to read.amazon.com for this to work in the same browser, and press download CSV. That's it. Once you've downloaded your CSV, you can come here and delete your books if you want, or you can go up to here to profile and delete your whole account, and then all of your data will be deleted. Unearthed also doesn't need any of your Amazon credentials. It just uses the browser session, so you're safe. All right, hope that helps. Bye.